Yeah.
Okay.
Like you can't feel bad and smile at the same time.
I can see that. And plus you can explain this better, but we have trained ourselves that we are happy when we smile, so that maybe the smile often triggers something. Is that wrong or right?
There's a physiological thing
That
that
happens.
happens to the
Okay.
body.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just the whole energy of it happens to my daughter all the time. Like
Yeah.
she's crying and then I say something and then she starts laughing
Yeah.
because it there's like an immediate switch. And often it's an immediate switch. Sometimes
Sure.
it may take a couple of seconds for the body to catch up,
Yeah.
but you can be feeling down and the moment you just I know. But it's the
You're
thing.
right. You're right. Because
I was imitating.
whole body.
I was imitating Joseph.
He
Whereas
was.
he is, yeah.
He put his whole body in it. You're right. You're
But
right.
it's that process.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's one of the things that we do, like even in acting, like when you are pulling yourself out of an emotional scene, because like when you're in it, your body doesn't know the difference between this thing that's happening for real or this situation that you have created, like this emotional realm that you've created. So oftentimes in doing a scene where you are really emotional and the scene's over, you're cut, there is one of the things that one of my early acting teachers, Stephen Book, would have us do
Mm-hmm.
is you've got this emotional scene, whether it's anger, grief, depression, and when you come out of it, there's this kind of like you check in with your body, you touch your body, and you go, "Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. I love you. Hello, hello, hello." And that does a physiological thing that pulls you out of that emotional state,
I see.
and especially uh, if you're shooting something on camera, you gotta do that joint 17 times
Yeah.
from every angle.
So your body is way deep in it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and so you don't necessarily wanna stay there, you wanna be able to pull yourself out of it so you can get back into it, but the pulling yourself out of it is an important part of the process.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I learned that from Joseph, just about the smile and putting your whole body into the smile, it's like, yeah, of course,
Yeah, that makes sense.
makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. Okay. You got one for me?
I got one for you.
When you say it like that.
Because I think these are good questions.
Okay. And that's your last one, by the way.
Is it?
It
Did I do 3?
You're about to. You're about to.
Lane, did I do 3 questions?
Yeah.
I did I did 2. I did
Yeah.
2.5. Okay. Oh, man. Okay,
Oh, boy.
here.
Uh-huh.
Hmm.
Neither one of us. Well, I'm not used to this. That's why I'm like, oh, God.
That's what
Is this
I
what?
love this.
Mm.
We need to do more of these.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, B or C?
Okay.
I'll let you pick.
Oh, I see. Oh, I was like, what? Oh, C for candy.
C. Oh, C for candy.
I don't even know. C for Candace.
Candy.
Okay.